sun, we're feeling grows. Been fucking with that growth like hell ain't cold. Been sifting through my secrets and spit them when the room gets full. Been speaking with my real kin and snipped a couple old friends loose. Been slipping off the charts like, baby, that's cool. This life is fucking perfect, and I've been dealing with my wounds. Straight cool and straight. The world going fucking crazy, but I ain't going fucking crazy, 'cause I ain't playing stupid games. And I'm just cooling in my suede. The world around me feeling so fucked up, 'cause everybody's feeling so fucked up. And I can't help but feel amazing. And I'm just cooling in my. Remember all that stupid shit we used to do? Maybe it's just in hindsight that everything was beautiful. Kinda feels strange that we don't speak anymore, but when we do, it's like the shit has just changed. And I ain't playing that game. And you be dreaming if you think this means I'll miss you, even a bit, 'cause I don't miss you for shit. Every single stupid thing you used to help with has been dealt with. I even got my appetite back, been keeping healthy. Kinda underweight still, but that's cool. I'll be back in a sec, and I'll still wonder about your life when I don't keep you in check. I guess it's someone else's problem now, dancing at the bottom of the bottle like them other clowns, drowning all your sorrows down. And your habits used to cost us a bunch of cash, but also time, the actual fucking problem. And if we ever speak again, I'll tell you that's the last of it. I'm closing up the bottle on your motherfucking problems, kid. And I'm just cooling in my space. The world going fucking crazy, but I ain't going fucking crazy, 'cause I ain't playing stupid games. And I'm just cooling in my space. The world around me feeling so fucked up, 'cause everybody's feeling so fucked up. And I can't help but feel amazing. And I'm just cooling in my. Dealing with my devils on some 2020 king shit. Fucking with my pain and making homies with my mischief. Sifting through the secrets I've been keeping from my interest. Looking for the zip to make my motherfucking skin fit. Dealing with myself like who you think the devil is, kid. Swimming in my pain like it's my motherfucking mistress. Dreaming about my girl and I've been sleeping kinda shit since. Secrets I've been keeping from myself have started shifting. And I'm just cooling in my space. The world going fucking